Come test drive this 2013 Chrysler 200. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Chrysler prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.